Dear students, this is the continuation of chemical properties of amines. Look at this question and answer. If amines react with carboxylic acids, what is formed is the question given in the text. Yes, what is the nature of amines? The nature of amines is basic and the nature of carboxylic acid is acid. And what is formed? Answer: salts are formed. Sufficient. Now move to another crucial and frequently asking chemical property, name to be given in the middle of the discussions. First we take RNH2. What is RNH2? Aliphatic primary amine. This is the general formula of aliphatic primary amine. If you take benzene ring NH2, NH2 and NH2 is common, but this NH2 attached to benzene ring is aromatic. Aromatic primary amine. So here, which type of amines are participated in the reaction? Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines are heated with a compound that is well known to you, that is a CHCl3. Yes, what is its name, dear students? You studied in haloalkanes, haloarenes in the regular class and also in video classes, live classes, and its name is chloroform. This is very important in organic chemistry. Identifying the compounds with a name and formula, that is very, very important. Chloroform. Trichloromethane you studied as IUPAC name. And a base, that is KOH or NaOH. The mixture is heated. Okay, right. This is dissolved in alcohol and generally alcoholic KOH. So here it is also KOH, alcohol, and the mixture is heated, and what is absorbed? Yes, first of all, the base acts on chloroform in this way, that is a CCl3H. In the presence of base, that is NaOH or KOH, what happened? Due to electron withdrawing effect by chlorine atoms, and it has dou plus charges resulted, and it pulls electrons and it is removed by a base, and what is resulted? C with these bonding electrons, Cl3, Cl3, Cl1, Cl2, Cl3. So this is CCl3. It is immediately participated in. What is the charge at this stage? Negative charge at this stage, but with the K plus ions, this is migrated and the negative charge is compelled with this positive charge, and you got an important compound CCl2 with 2 chlorines. How many electrons in this one? In this reactive intermediate, it has 6 set of electrons. 6 set of electrons, and its name is 2 chlorine atoms on 1 carbon, and its name is dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene is the intermediate, reactive intermediate form is for competitive purpose. Remaining things to be finished very easily. This attacks on or attracted by RNH2. Finally, what is formed? Finally, yes, RNH2 becomes Rn, and this CCl2 electrophile. This is CCl2. 2 chlorine atoms, 2 hydrogens are taken out, and what is resulted? Triple bond C plus other products are as usual. K with Cl is, yes, here K with Cl. Here K with Cl, so therefore 3 moles of KCl and OH minus and H becomes H2O. As for balancing, better to write 3 KOH for 3 KCl and 3 oxidants, 3 H2O, 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. It is a balanced equation, very important for 2 marks. And the name of the product is alkyl isocyanide. It is alkyl isocyanide. As the name of the test is called isocyanate test or carbylamine test. Isocyanide or carbylamine test. Carbylamine is the suffix in IUPAC nomenclature, carbylamine. I'm sorry, not suffix in IUPAC name, just carbylamine, this isocyanate. And this is nothing but isocyanate or carbylamine test. This is useful for Viva, PU and competitive examinations. In all cases, it is required. What is carbylamine test? That is answered by which type of amine? Aliphatic and aromatic primary amines are only giving positive test, positive carbylamine test. Secondary and tertiary amines do not give. That is. And what is the reactive intermediate? This story is not required, dear students. Just should be simplified. Only understanding purpose it is given. How do you complete this reaction? By seeing the above one. In the place of benzene ring, that is to be copied. Benzene ring. Yes, N as usual present, and CHCl3, C is coming, N triple bond C, isocyanate. So in this case, nitrogen acquires formal charge, acquires positive charge, and carbon acquires negative charge. Is extra information. No need to write the charges. And other products are 3 KCl plus 3 H2O over. And the name of this compound is phenyl isocyanide. NC is isocyanide. And how do you observe this one? While heating the reaction mixer, you are getting foul smelling compound, unpleasant smell compound. Unpleasant smell is produced by this one. After carrying out the reaction, it is treated with acid. This base is removed acid and its action is reduced, and the contents are poured in the sink and run more water. This is the precaution in carrying this reaction in the laboratory as isocyanate test or carbylamine test. As how do you identify primary amines present in the given organic compound is the Viva question. And how do you answer? This is the way. The given organic compound treated with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide, the reaction mixture is heated. We got foul smelling compound. The name of foul smelling compound is isocyanide, either alkyl isocyanide or phenyl isocyanide. Either this example or this example you have to write in the examination. Statement you have to write. Sentence 1 mark, statement 1 mark. It is a 2 marks question. Yes, this is a 2 marks question. And come to JEE NEET orientation. Yes, what is the reactive intermediate in this reaction? Reactive intermediate is, you have to answer. Next, what is the covalency of carbon in the functional group? In the functional group of product. Generally carbon has tetravalency, but here especially what is observed? 3 bonds formed by carbon atom. So covalency, number of bonds, that is answer 3. And the name of the reactive intermediate is is carbene or dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene. Is it electrophile, nucleophile, free radical? It is electrophile. These are all you studied in your first PU, no problem at all. Why electrophile? Carbon has 6 set of electrons in this structure, and its structure is CCl2s. This is another version. Over. Enough. Should be reduced as much as possible and learned in a comfortable way. This is end of a very well known reaction, and the final point is this test is not given by secondary and tertiary amines. This is another point. Okay. Move to another reaction. So in this carbolamine reaction, which functional group in the reactant changed to a functional group in the product? Primary amine is converted to isocyanide group or carbolamine group. You can create some questions on your own by saying the information. Next reaction is very simple, that is what we are taking. RNH2 is an example of aliphatic primary amine. This is the general representation. Previously also taken aliphatic primary amine. For primary, I am writing 1 degree to reduce spelling. Plus, as here the reaction mixture is NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 is salt. Its name is sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite is treated with hydrochloric acid. Then what is the acid produced on the spot? The acid produced on the spot is HNO2. What is its name? That is nitrous acid. With this combination, we got HNO2, that is nitrous acid. Next reaction is reaction with nitrous acid. How is nitrous acid? It is not stored in the laboratory. It is prepared whenever we are required by mixture of a salt, sodium nitrate, and acid HCl. Then here a salt is formed between these two. The combination is like this. This is the structure OH, N double bond O, that is HNO2, is treated with RNH2. Then what is removed, dear students? H2O is removed, and what is produced? RS. This OH is replaced by HCl, and Cl is introduced. Therefore, RN triple bond N. Yes, this middle nitrogen, middle atom nitrogen acquires positive charge, and this is with Cl minus, which is known as diazonium chloride. A salt is produced which is unstable. Yes. It immediately decomposed. Then N2 gas is liberated quantitatively. N2 gas is liberated quantitatively. So with the liberation of nitrogen gas, this reaction is identified. Then other products are R is joined with which one? H2O molecule is broken and OH is attached. then Cl with hydrogen HCl. As what is produced, dear students? ROH is a general formula of alcohols. So what is produced? What is produced when aliphatic primary amine is treated with nitrous acid is the question. Answer is alcohol, and its diazonium chloride salt is unstable. Yes. What is the use of this reaction? Amino acids. What are amino acids? Are CH, NH2, COOH. So this NH2 group, primary amine group, is converted to nitrogen gas, and estimation of amino acids are possible with the help of this reaction. What is the use of this reaction? Yes. Liberation of nitrogen quantitatively used to estimate amino acids only for competitive, not for PU. Complete the reaction, that is methylamine when treated with NaNO2 HCl. What is the product form? Name the product is the question. How do you answer? Don't think about this intermediate. Jump to directly the product and decide the answer in an easy way. So that is very simple. This NH2 group is converted as OH, and this is CH3. In this way, sorry, it is not with methyl alcohol, it should be ethyl alcohol. I am sorry, C2H5, and it is C2H5. Methyl alcohol will not give alcohols. So exception is methylamine does not give alcohol during this reaction. Exception, this is exception only for competitive point of view. J or NATE. Now, what about aromatic primary amines? Yes. It is a very interesting and frequently asking area. Aromatic primary amines are treated with nitrous acid. By the combination of this one at low temperatures, we will get stable diazonium salt. There is a difference between aliphatic primary amine and aromatic primary amine. This reaction helps us to differentiate primary amine, aromatic primary amine from aliphatic primary amine. Yes. Now that aromatic primary amine is NH2, it is aniline, is an example of aromatic primary amine. Okay, now treated with NaNO2 HCl, and the reaction temperature is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature, ice cold temperature. At this temperature the product is, so as usual, what is formed? Expect this one, benzene ring N triple bond N plus Cl minus. Yes, this is known as benzene. The ring is N double bond N, N triple bond N, N double bond N, linkage is called diazonium, diazo group, diazonium, and Cl is positive charge is ion and Cl is chloride. Yes, this reaction is called, other products you are interested, that is, other product is NaCl plus H2O. How many H2Os? 2 H2Os, 2 HCl. Then you will get the answer. It is clear. And the entire name of reaction is called diazotization. What is diazotization? Diazotization is the name of the reaction. That is, aniline or aromatic primary amine treated with sodium nitrite hydrochloric acid at very low temperature form a stable benzene diazonium chloride, is a starting material to prepare many colored compounds which are in future known as diazo compounds. Azo di compounds they are.